Yo, this is how I made $600 today trading the Nasdaq. So today I looked in, I was coming in bullish. We started off the week with the opening week gap. We had Trump news overnight as well with China trade news as well. We had earnings this week, huge earnings coming out with Google, Netflix, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, so on and so forth. So I was kind of bullish. I knew they were going to come trade back into this new week opening gap sometime this week. I didn't think it was going to be immediate, obviously, but I knew eventually we'd come back to it. So I was kind of looking bullish. I was looking for some imbalances, fair value gaps being created. We had a 1 hour fair value gap here. We also had a 1 hour fair value gap as well here, and a 4 hour finalized and closed by the 10 a.m. candle right here. Then I went on to the 5 minute. Seeing on the 5 minute, I was bullish. I seen that liquidity had both swept the pre-market high as well as the pre-market low, but I was looking up. Sweeping this pre-market low and still creating this fair value gap still told me that we were still kind of looking in an uptrend as well, and that we were still kind of looking upwards. After that, I seen a 5 minute inverse fair value gap created here from this bearish inverse fair value gap being inversed as well. I wanted a strong volumetric push as well because we had bearish taps back into forth into it. Nasdaq wasn't clean. Price action was pretty ugly today. I then finally seen that volume push on the next candle. I entered, targeted a 2-to-1, calm, didn't risk too much, and then my TP hit. Just a little bit of drawdown because it was a little bit not clean, but it still worked out. We were to target that, and honestly, I could have targeted more if my drawdown was maybe down here, but I didn't really care. Obviously, I was kind of cautious. When you get to all-time highs, you should try and be cautious, but you shouldn't also always be looking for shorts. If you were looking for shorts, you probably were looking for a fill into maybe the fair value gap for the 4 minute, the imbalance on the 4 hour, as well as the new week opening gap. But I didn't see any volume or any signals that was letting me know that, hey, we're going to be short as well. If we traded ES today, it might have been too slow. ES was not moving as fast as Nasdaq was, as usual, as per usual as well. So you probably did get wigged out, and there were a lot of fake